Hi, I'm Rich Close, and today's iPhone tutorial is on searching for apps. Please make sure you click the link below to subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit richclose.com. Okay, so if you're like me, I have a lot of apps on my phone. Seems like everybody and their brother creates an app to do something. And a lot of times I scroll through my screens. I have, again, several pages down here of apps, and I can't sometimes remember where they're at or what they're called. So what you can do is you can just grab anywhere in the middle of the screen. Whoops, sorry about that, I pressed too long. Just pull down on the screen a little bit, and you'll see you get a little search bar. So I'm going to cancel out of that. So again, anywhere, just a quick slide down, and a search bar comes up. Siri makes some suggestions for you. You might see some recent apps that show up down here, but most important, there's the search bar up on the top. And again, you can just type in what you're looking for, and I'm just going to put maps in there. And you can see I get 3 different apps that show up for maps. So Apple Maps, Google Maps, and then Map My Fitness, right, are the 3 apps that have the word map in it. So I wanted Google Maps. I can just select it here, and it will launch and open Google Maps for me. So there you have it. Again, if you're like me, you forget where things are at. Quick pull down, you get the search criteria, type in what you're looking for, and your list of apps will show up. So again, thanks for watching my videos. Again, please subscribe to my channel and visit my website where you can find more iPhone tutorials and a link to my iPhone seminar.